Welcome to Daily Insights, your source of bite sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, grow, and view the world anew. Let us explore the marvels hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you're seeking inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant questions, Daily Insights is your gateway to knowledge to aid your self discovery and personal growth. Join me and let us illuminate the path to wisdom together. I am here with you today to deliver a simple message, encapsulated in a simple yet powerful declaration. Looking ahead. The futility of rear view reflection. This is not just a title, it is an ethos, a reminder that while history is a great teacher, our future is not written in the stars of yesterday. It is written in our actions today. So, sounds like fancy stuff, don't it? The question is, why do we look back? Is it comfort, nostalgia, or is it fear of the unknown? You know, while reminiscing has its place, an overindulgence in the past can paralyze us, chaining our potential to the familiarity of what was, rather than the possibility of what could be. History is rich with lessons, but it should not dictate our trajectory. As we look forward, it is important to acknowledge the challenges we face, and it is important to work together to overcome them. Let us not be weighed down by the past, but instead let us join hands and create a better future. You see, together, your voice, my voice, can inspire hope and bring positive change in the world. Let us make looking ahead a symbol of our collective resilience and determination to create a brighter tomorrow. Consider the great innovators, leaders, and pioneers who have shaped our world. Would we have reached the moon if NASA's scientists' eyes were glued to the rearview mirror? Would we have smartphones and the internet, both of which we have come to depend on, if society had clung fearfully to the way things always were? Each leap forward was propelled not by a longing for the past, but by a bold, unwavering gaze into the future. Again, what does this mean for you? What does this mean for you, for us, as everyday individuals? Well, I tell you, it means embracing change, not as a distant force, but as a personal ethos. It is about asking ourselves, what legacy do I want to leave, rather than what legacy has been left for me? It is about being architects of tomorrow and not just inheritors of yesterday. Let us binge on a world where each of us, in our own way, commits to forward thinking. A world where our decisions are made not out of fear of the unknown, but out of hope for what might be. A world where we innovate in technology, culture, and policy, not just for innovation's sake, but to construct a more equitable, sustainable, and vibrant world for our children and their children. Yes, for all future generations. As I have this conversation here with you today, let us ask ourselves, are we content to be echoes of the past? Or will we be voices for the future? Will we let the fear of moving forward chain us to the shadows of yesterday? Or will we take the brave step into the light of tomorrow? My challenge to you is this: let's make looking ahead not just a conversation or a moment. Let us make looking ahead a movement, a collective stride towards a brighter, bolder future for you, for me, and for our children. The path ahead is uncharted, but together, with our eyes on the horizon, there is no limit to how far we can go. Yes, there's no limit to how far you can go. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.